Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all a-okay. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, which is why I've got nothing on my skin at the moment. It is going to be a very kind of like simple go-to, perfect for work, maybe a job interview depending on kind of like what job you're going for, kind of like an all-rounder, easy makeup look. I had a request for one of these to be done because I like my colour on this channel, but I kind of wanted to strip it back and have like a bit of a mixture so that you guys, everyone can benefit and you're not just watching just to watch me and you might learn something. Sorry, I'm just looking at Slinky's ear in the mirror. In the viewfinder. That's it. Anyway, if you guys are interested in getting this look or just getting ready with me, then please keep watching. So I'm first going to go in with the Evian Natural Mineral Water. It's just a facial spray. Apparently you can get this in Superdrug. I got mine when I went to America last year. We were meant to go to New York at Christmas. But with work and everything, we've decided to postpone. So no America this year. But next year, we're going to Orlando, no matter what. So I really like this one because it's proper hydrating. Like, it's Evian, it's water, like, I mean, come on. How more hydrating can you get? Then I'm going to take a mixture. You guys know I love mixing primers on this channel. It's going to be these two. This is the MAC Mineralized Time Checker Lotion. It's really nice. It helps fill in pores, smooths the skin. It's really nice, especially for like older skin as well. And then the New Look Illuminating Primer. Mine is battered because I've had it for years. So this is just a duo fiber brush from Real Techniques. And I've just mixed them on the back of my hand. I'm just going to apply this to the skin because that Time Check lotion by MAC is like, it's able to like not fill in pores, but it smooths out the appearance of the skin. I'm not going to go in with a pore filling primer. If you have really problematic pores, obviously go in with another primer if you want. I usually do anyway, but I do like the Mineralized Time Check lotion. I just like the way that the Mineralized looks. Like, I really think it does just help smooth the skin, and then with the New Look one, it gives a bit of like a glow. I don't like turtlenecks. I remember why I hate them. Ugh. You can see how much I've scratched already. I never realised how long it took me to do my brows until I just did them for a song and a half. I was bopping a little bit as well. I don't know. Right, so my brows are on. I've just concealed them as well. I'm going to go in with the foundation. I've just got a sample part. Now I'm a bit worried because someone else got a sample part in the same shade. And she was like, this is equivalent to like an NC44 from MAC. And I'm not an NC44 by any stretch of the imagination. So just roll with me here. Let me see what it looks like. I have like concealer and whatnot to manipulate it. Let's just see. Maybe the turtleneck was a good idea. We'll see. It's the Shiseido Synchro Skin. And this is the shade 360. They didn't have many that I could steal a sample pot from, that's why. So roll with me here. This is just a Smith brush, by the way. It's a 118, sorry. God, that is a bit dark, isn't it? Oh well, right. We've got concealer. I just want to see what the foundation's actually like because it claims to literally be everything. It's waterproof, sweat-proof, pollution-proof, all this, like, everything, basically. And I love foundation. It is my favourite part of makeup. It's my favourite step of makeup. It's my favourite item of makeup. I just love foundation. So I'm always on the hunt. And foundation is something that no matter, you know, how many I have or if I'm in the market or not, or even if I've got an all-time favourite, foundation is something that I will always gravitate toward and always want to buy more of. I just think there's just so much you can do with foundation, like different coverages, different finishes. I just think it's so much that you can do. And when I worked at House of Fraser for MAC, I really got to learn a little bit more about Shiseido because there was a Shiseido stand there. and the girls that work on it, they're so lovely. I just got to learn a little bit more about the brand and everything, and they seem like a really cool brand. I've got their Perfecting Stick Concealer, which I've raved about quite a lot, and I do quite like. But I just thought I'd try something else with theirs as well. And like I said, foundation is my weakness. So I thought I'd try the foundation, and I'm not upset. Bar the colour, which I'm aware is quite dark, I'm not upset with anything else. I'm really happy with the coverage. I wish I could tell you guys I barely used anything. Like, this sample part is pretty much still full. I barely used anything. Really happy with how it's covered, with what it's done. I love it. It's still got like a bit of a shine to it, a little bit of a glow. These two spots here are really annoying. Like, really annoying. I like this. It feels nice on, I don't know why I ripped my lips to say it feels nice on the skin. Yeah, it feels nice on the skin. It doesn't feel too thick, it doesn't feel too heavy. I may go in and get this foundation and get a lighter colour. Right, I'm gonna go in and cream contour. So like I said, this is like a really good like everyday kind of makeup. If you don't want to do all these steps, if you want to go for a BB cream instead, if you don't want to cream contour, don't worry, like don't have to. This is just kind of like what I want to do on a daily basis and what I kind of do on a daily basis. I have a lot of makeup. I have the opportunity to go crazy and use as much or as little as I want. So I am going to cream contour, but again, you don't have to if you don't want to. This is probably my favourite one. This is the Bobbi Brown Stick Concealer in the shade 7 Almond. I've actually just picked up another one of these, but in a different shade, which I'm excited to try. I'm going to do a full face of first impressions as always. I feel like I always do them because I have so much new makeup all the time. So I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to use that shade with that probably. And then I'm just gonna go in with a Real Techniques brush and just, oh crikey, buff out my face. I really like this foundation. I can't stop looking at our viewfinder. Look how glowy I still look. Wow. I really think Shiseido is an underrated brand on YouTube. I think it's very popular in like the real world. I know YouTube's real, you know what I mean? But I think on YouTube it's very underrated, but I love it. Right, so I'm going to go in with the MAC Bright Forecast Prep and Prime pen. It's just a bit more of a peachier one, just to help me not look dead under there. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C7. And I'm just going to pop this everywhere. Conceal it. Tell the gods to open up the gates. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe sponge as always. Just dab this in. If you just prefer just to put concealer right under your under eyes and that's it, then that's all you have to do. Don't worry. Whatever you feel most comfortable with. Right, so then I'm going to go in and set those places that I've just dabbed out with concealer. I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter powder for this. I remember when I was on the hunt for a replacement of my MAC one, this was one that I really liked. I just think the shade is just not the best, and there's only one shade. I think that they should have come out with multiple shades for this, really, because it's actually a really beautiful powder. It's just the shade range, it's not there as always with most companies and their powders and their skin stuff. So I'm going to go in with the MAC Brow Set in Red Chestnut, just to comb through a little bit of warmth. I'm going to go in with the bronzer that we're going to use for bronzer, obviously. Well done there, Soph. And it is the Benefit Hoola Caramel. It's one of my favourites at the moment. I really love this. And this is just a Makeup Geek brush. Do you guys remember Makeup Geek? I swear I have so much of their singles, it's a joke. And then with this, I'm literally going to pack it on the eyelid And then in the crease, you can do this honestly with any bronzer. Like this is the whole entire like eye look. It's just your bronzer and your crease. And that is pretty much, honest to God, the eyes basically done. Sometimes I'll add a brown liner on. I'm going to today just to give it a little something extra. Obviously you don't have to if you don't want to. This benefits roller liner in brown, I assume. So I'm gonna go in, curl my lashes and mascara and falsies, and I'll come back and do my skin. Right, so my lashes are on. I know they're quite big and a lot, but one, those are my types of favorite lashes. Those are my favorite types of, yeah, those are my favorite types of lashes. And two, these are just the lashes that I kind of like have on the go at the moment. They are MAC number 75s if you were interested. I've just taken my headband off because I realised I usually wear them to keep my hair at my face, but my hair's tied back today, so it's a little bit pointless. They start to give me a headache after a while as well. Right, to go in a bronze, I'm going to go back in with that Hoola Caramel by Benefit. I feel like in today we're using quite a few brands that I don't usually use. I say quite a few, I just mean Shiseido and Benefit. The only thing from Bobby I ever use, I think it's the only thing I own. Might have a lip liner actually. Maybe a lipstick, but still. So I like to go in with a shimmery bronzer as well. Again, all this is up to you. This is just kind of like my chuck on. If I worked in an office, I reckon I'd probably wear this if I ever wore makeup. This is the MAC Gold Deposit Mineralize Powder. Just a nice one to give you a bit of like a bronzy glow. And I only put this on my cheeks. I never take it onto my forehead. I think it just looks weird. You look like you've got a sweaty forehead, and I'm not into that. For blush, I know it's going to seem like I'm like, you know, still working there or sponsored by them, but it is just my favourite blush ever. It is MAC's Just a Pinch. It's just because it's got a bit more of like a peachier undertone, so it doesn't make me look rosy or anything, which I don't like. To cream highlight, I'm going to go in with the NARS Hot Sand Illuminator, and I'm just going to take it on the tip of one's Morphe sponge, just like so, and then I grab the booty and I just dab it out. This is the Anastasia times Amrezy highlighter. It's one of my favourites ever. I love it. I especially love it for like a subtle to medium glow. Like I have my highlighters that are like my intense glow. This one's kind of like a everyday subtle to medium. You can definitely build on this one. Beads. Oh my god, oh my god. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I just realised both of the ones that we use today are like mists as opposed to like sprays. So I know not everyone is into the same kind of lip I am. I love a 90s brown overdrawn lip like so much. It's my favourite. I'm going to go in with Cork Lip Liner by MAC. I always rub my lips together with the lip liner on by itself, just so that you get like the gradient. And then the lip cream, I'm going to go in with this from NYX, and it's in the shade Cairo. It's so pretty. I think I may have used this in my last tutorial. Sorry if I had. Beautiful. Ooh! And then I'm looking at this now and I'm like, would people wear this to the office? I don't know. I would. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorials. Take with it what you will. Adapt to it how you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Always let me know what you want to see in the comments down below. Until next time, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.